Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture Honkai Star Rail on OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. Make sure your Honkai Star Rail is already open or running on your PC in order for OBS to detect it properly. If you haven't opened the game yet, go ahead and launch Honkai Star Rail now. This step is crucial because OBS needs the game to be running to capture it. Once OBS is open, navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon. Here, you'll need to create a new scene, type a name for it, for example, Honkai Star Rail, then click OK. This creates a dedicated scene specifically for capturing your game. Next, in the bottom left area of your screen, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon there. From the list that appears, select Game Capture. A new window will pop up, so just click OK to proceed. This is where you'll configure how OBS captures your game window. Now, navigate to the Mode option right beside it and click the drop-down menu. From here, select Capture Specific Window. This setting ensures that OBS locks onto your Honkai Star Rail window specifically, rather than trying to capture your entire screen or any window that's active. Although I don't have Honkai Star Rail installed on my PC, I will show you the next step. Below the Mode option, you'll see another option labeled Window. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you should see Honkai Star Rail listed there. Select it from the list. Since I don't have Honkai Star Rail installed on my PC, I'll use another game as an example to demonstrate how this works. After selecting your game window, click OK to confirm your settings. This locks in your game capture source and adds it to your sources list. Finally, navigate back to Sources. Right-click on the game capture source you just added. Hover your mouse over Transform in the menu that appears, then select Fit to Screen. This automatically adjusts the game capture to fill your entire OBS canvas perfectly, giving you a clean full-screen capture of Honkai Star Rail. And that's it! You've successfully set up Honkai Star Rail to be captured in OBS Studio, and you're ready to start recording or streaming your gameplay. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.